Are you constantly feeling overwhelmed, like your mind has become a noisy inbox overflowing with notifications? What if I told you there are specific steps you can take today to unplug from digital chaos and reclaim your mental clarity? This isn't just relaxation. This is a deliberate recalibration of your attention, your most valuable resource. We live in a world structured to keep us mentally overstimulated. Every ping, swipe, scroll, and alert fractures your focus and pulls you farther from your inner quiet. But cultivating stillness doesn't require running away from life. It requires a strategic retreat, small but intentional actions that help your mind breathe again. The first step is micro-disconnection. Instead of going cold turkey, choose 3 tiny pockets in your day where you silence everything for 5 minutes. No phone, no noise, just you. These micro moments teach your brain how to unhook from constant stimulation. Second, create a single-purpose environment. When you're eating, just eat. When you're walking, just walk. These simple acts reclaim your attention from multitasking and strengthen your ability to focus deeply. Third, redesign your digital world to serve you, not overwhelm you. Turn off non-essential notifications. Move distracting apps off your home screen. Use Do Not Disturb as a daily boundary instead of a rare exception. Finally, practice intentional stillness at least once a day. Not meditation in the traditional sense, just a moment of deliberate quiet. Sit, breathe, notice. Let your mind settle from the constant buzz. These steps are small, but their impact is profound. By unplugging from the noise with intention, you make space for clarity, focus, and a genuine inner quiet that modern life tries to drown out.